YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. So let us start the day with an analysis of some commodities and the bitcoins, how they behave during the last tenure of elected President Mr. Donald Trump, which started on January 20th to January 2021. So here you can see that how the bitcoins were trading at the levels of $1093 when he started his tenure, and consequently one upward move was there during the month of December 2017. Undoubtedly the bitcoins continued to trade in a narrow range, and once again a breakout was seen in bitcoins during the month of October 2020 when the bitcoins tested a high at the levels of $65,022. From here some selling was seen during the month of April 2021. Once again the bitcoins tested a low at the levels of $29,767 during the month of June 2021. So here you can see that how the bitcoins started to move downward after testing this high at the levels of $69,000, from where continued to move downward and finally tested a low once again at the levels of $17,310 during the month of June 2022. From here, after taking support here at the levels of $16,370, Bitcoin started to move upward during the tenure of Mr. Biden and continued to move upward and finally tested a high at the levels of $1,08,268. So here you can see that how the bitcoins have formed an exhaustive candle during the month of December 2024 when the Donald Trump is about to join his office on January 20th, where he has to face many challenges on the economic front. So here I would like to inform you that the Donald Trump has special infatuation towards the cryptocurrency and he wants to promote this during the upcoming days. So here I find that first of all we could see a downward selling pressure after the formation of this exhaustive candle during the last month. So here you can see that how the formation of this exhaustive candle could keep the bitcoins under selling pressure in the month of January till Mr. Donald Trump joins the office on January 20th. I find the bitcoins could retest the levels of the 84,765 before that. So here I find that the bitcoins continue to move amid this expected trading zone from the highs of $99,807 to $31,647. So volatility can be seen in bitcoins trading during its next tenure from January 20th, 2025 to January 2030. So here you can see that how the bitcoins could start the upcoming month with an exhaustion, where the first move could be a decisive move during the upcoming month. So during the month of January, the bitcoins could retest the levels of $99,603, and on the lower side 86,645 can be tested. If this will be the move, undoubtedly the bitcoins could remain in bearish pressure. So now let us check the movements of some commodities. So here you can see that how the gold futures behaved during the last tenure of Mr. Donald Trump from 2017 to 2021. So here you can see that how the gold futures continued to trade below the 100 days moving average during this period and finally found a breakout well above this immediate resistance and finally tested a high at the lows of $2,092 during the month of August 2020. So here you can see that how the gold futures continued to trade in a narrow range where the immediate resistance was seen at the lows of $1,992 and on the low side a support was seen at the levels of $1,625. So here you can see that how the gold futures continued to move upward after testing this low in October 2022 and finally tested a high at the levels of $2,802, and here you can see that how finally we have seen the formation of an exhaustive candle during the month of December. So friends, here I find that this exhaustive candle could push the gold futures in downward direction during the next month. So here I find that if the gold futures start the upcoming month below the levels of $2635, we could see the gold futures could continue to remain under selling pressure when the Donald Trump will join his office on January 20th. So that will define that how the gold futures will behave during this zone. So this is his next tenure from January 20th 2025 to January 20th 2029. So friends, here I find that the gold futures could move downward till he joins the office on January 20th. So here I find that the first support for the gold futures in a monthly time frame will be at the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2520, and here a breakdown below this immediate support could keep the gold futures in a bearish trend where the selling spree could follow, and here I find that the next support could be seen at the levels of $2328, from where some support can be seen, but here I find that the next support can be seen at the 20 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $2245. So here I find that if the gold futures are not able to defend this second support, we'll see this slide to continue, where the next support can be seen at the 50 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $1992. So let us see when the gold futures could retest this level, and the final support can be seen once again at the 100 days moving average, as we have seen here during the last tenure of Mr. Donald Trump in June 2019. So once again I find that the gold could find a big down move. So friends, here I find that the gold futures could remain under selling pressure till the traders get confirmation about the policy changes by Trump's administration. So here I find that the gold futures could remain extremely volatile below this support at the levels of $2321. So friends, now let us check the movements of natural gas futures in a monthly time frame, how the natural gas futures behaved during the last tenure of Mr. Donald Trump, when the natural gas traded in a narrow range on January 20th 2017. Natural gas futures continued to trade below the 100 days moving average and finally tested a low at the levels of $2.564, and from here a breakout was seen during the month of October 2018, when the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $4.897 in November 2018, from where a sharp selling was seen during the month of December 2018 below the levels of $4.598. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures continued to slide downward and finally tested a low at the levels of $2.600. Find some support at the levels of $2.6. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures finally found a strong support at the levels of $1.5 during the month of June 2020, and the upward move was seen where the natural gas futures found a breakout well above the 100 days moving average during the month of October 2022, and here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance at the levels of $3.385 during the month of October 2020, and here once again a slide started by natural gas futures during the month of November 2020, and here once again the natural gas futures continue to move downward and finally close this period well at the levels of $2.732. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $10 during the tenure of Mr. Biden in the month of August 2022, and from here a sharp slide was seen from the levels of $9.4 during the month of August 2022 that continued to push the natural gas futures to test new lows at the levels of $1.967 during the month of March 2023. Once again, the natural gas futures continued to trade in a narrow range and finally found a stiff resistance at the levels of $3.609 during the month of October 2023, and once again a selling spree was seen during the month of November 2023 that pushed the natural gas futures once again to test the fresh lows at the levels of $1.444 during the month of March 2024. Once again an uptrend started when the natural gas futures found a breakout well above the 100 days moving average and finally tested a high at the levels of $3.983 during the month of December 2024. So here you can see that how a sharp selling was seen during this month, and finally the natural gas futures closed this month at the levels of $3.514. So here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming month well below the levels of $3.497, undoubtedly we could see a downward move in natural gas futures, because here you can see that how the 200 days moving average is here to provide a stiff resistance, and the natural gas futures are currently trading well below the immediate resistance at the 200 days moving average. But here the formation of a bullish crossover by 50 days moving average, which has crossed upward to 200 days moving average, that resulted in a breakout move up to the levels of $3.983 during the month of December. So here I find that the immediate support can be seen at the 100 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.268. Undoubtedly a breakdown well below this level could keep this selling pressure intact, where the natural gas futures could retest the levels of $2.657 during the upcoming month. So friends, here I find that the President Trump could keep this selling pressure intact during his upcoming tenure from January 20th, 2025, where the natural gas futures could remain under selling pressure as the Donald Trump has special view on clean energies. But here I find that the geopolitical situation could be a significant factor about this resistance, where we could find a breakout move well above the levels of $4 during the upcoming months. On the lower side, the immediate support can be seen for the natural gas futures once again at the levels of $2.563, but here I find that the formation of a bullish crossover here by 9 days moving average, which is trying to come above the 20 days moving average, this could keep this rally intact if the natural gas futures find a breakdown move well up to the levels of $2.601. That will provide a good opportunity to go long, where the target could be up to the levels of $3.983, and the second target could be the levels of $4.916. So friends, now let's check the movements of silver futures. So here you can see that how the silver futures behaved during the last tenure of President Donald Trump when he joined the office on January 20th, 2017. That kept the silver futures in bearish pressure well below the levels of $18.791. After his joining, here you can see that how the silver futures continued to trade in a narrow range before going downward during the month of June 2018, where silver futures finally tested a low at the levels of $14 during the month of November 2018. Once again an upward move was there, where the upside was limited up to the levels of $17.73. Undoubtedly an attempt was made during the month of August 2019 when the silver futures tested a high at the levels of $20.198. Once again continued to trade with a wobbly moves up to the month of February 2020, and finally a downward move was there that pushed the silver futures well below the immediate support at the 200 days moving average, which resulted in a sharp downward move where the silver futures tested a new low at the lows of $11.581 during the month of March 2020, from where a sharp recovery was seen during this month, and the silver futures continued to move upward and found a breakout well above the 200 days moving average that kept this uptrend intact when the silver futures finally tested a high at the lows of $29.87 but continued to remain under selling pressure up to February 2021, and once again the silver futures remained in bearish pressure and finally found some support at the 100 days moving average during the month of September 2022, and once again entered the zone well above the levels of $22.92 during the month of November 2022, and from here you can see that how the silver futures continued to test the significant support at 200 days moving average during the month of March 2023. Once again this support was tested in the month of October 2023 before the advent of an uptrend which pushed the silver futures to test new highs at the levels of $35.147 during the month of October 2024. Since then we have seen a sharp selling spree which has kept the silver futures below the levels of $32.949. So here you can see that how the silver futures behaved during the month of December, where the formation of this exhaustive candle looks evident enough for the continuity of bearish trend in silver futures. So here I find that a breakdown by silver futures well below the levels of $29 will keep this downtrend continued, where the next support can be seen at the 20 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $26.706. So here I find that if the silver futures are not able to defend this significant support, we could see the silver futures to once again slide up to the next support at the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $21.693, from where once again we could see some downward side. So from here could not find a support at this level, we could see this slide to continue up to the levels of $18 before a bounce back start once again during the month of March 2025. So here volatility could remain higher in silver futures during the upcoming tenure of President-elect Donald Trump from January 20th, 2025 to January 20th, 2028. So friends, here you can see that how the silver futures could remain under selling pressure if they are not able to defend this immediate support at the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the lowest of $28.50. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.